I got this Eric from F&B Tile. We got our shower ready for tile on the floor, tile on the walls, and all the waterproofing is done. That Kerdi board there, I don't look too pretty, but that's sort of the way it looks like on these pictures. 2-inch overlap everywhere. Ready for the big show. So I'm gonna check with this here for the water running to the drain. There's one part. I'm gonna check the other corner. There it goes. There you go. Better than Tiger Woods, boys. Voila. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Quality by F&B Tile. I will post you pictures of the tile on the floor and on the walls. Like and share it, and hire a CTEF certified tile installer. F&B Tile is one of them. Thanks for watching the video, guys. God bless you.